Hey everyone, Alex Ionescu here. Welcome to Investor's Guide to the Galaxy. Amazing ramp up of deliveries for Tesla Model 3, Model Y, and Model 2. Although before we start, if you find this video helpful, it would mean a lot to me if you crushed the like button and subscribe to my channel. It's totally free and takes just a split second. If you want to show more appreciation, consider subscribing to my Patreon. Now let's dive right into it. Tesla stock price Friday up 1.81%. Today in pre-market down 1.26%, year-to-date up 141%, past year up 10%, past 5 years up 1071%. Troy Teslike on Twitter. Tesla doesn't release Model 3 and Model Y deliveries numbers separately, but here is my calculation based on available data. In Q2, Model Y sales worldwide are expected to be around 300,000. Q2 is very similar to Q1, but just a little higher. Maybe you're wondering why Tesla ramped up so slowly a cheaper car, the Model 3, than a more expensive car, Model Y. It's because Model 3 production was the first mass-produced car for Tesla. Tesla had to learn to produce cars at scale. They did a lot of mistakes, they learned from them, and they improved every aspect. Another reason is that they had fewer gigafactories. I want to point out something interesting in these numbers. For the Model 3, Tesla has reached 100,000 deliveries in 14 quarters. So it took Tesla 3.5 years to reach 100,000 deliveries in a quarter for Model 3. Now let's look at Model Y. Bear in mind this is a car with an average selling price of more than $50,000. That's what? 50% more than Model 3 because Model 3 was cheaper than today. So Model Y reached 100,000 deliveries in just 7 quarters, or almost 2 years. It's incredible the demand Tesla has for Model Y, and most say that Model Y will be the best-selling car in the world in 2023. As I look at the numbers of deliveries for Model Y, the numbers are growing very fast. So previously, the only car that reached 100,000 deliveries per quarter was Model 3. Now Model Y reached the 100,000 milestone in 2021, but it did not stop there. It reached another milestone of 200,000 deliveries per quarter in 2022. This is just 5 quarters after the 100,000 deliveries milestone. Now it seems that Model Y will reach the 300,000 milestone in Q2 2023. If this happens, it will reach this milestone in only 4 quarters. That's amazing, right? You can see a pattern emerging, right? Milestone hit after milestone and faster. Now we have Cybertruck that will probably begin deliveries in Q3 2023. Cybertruck is not cheap and it's not that popular as an SUV. I see Cybertruck deliveries somewhere between Model 3 and Model Y deliveries. What is more exciting than Cybertruck? Model 2, the cheapest car Tesla will produce. If Model Y had this fast ramping in deliveries, think for a moment how the ramping of deliveries will look like for this cheap Model 2 from Tesla. It will be legendary. I'd like to know your opinion on all of this. Please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please smash the like button so that other people like you see this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you that watch my videos. See you next time.